So today's video is gonna be a little bit different. I had the idea. I had an idea to do a different challenge for today. Sorry guys, the baby's being fussy. So for today's challenge, we are gonna be trying out baby food.
So
but
exciting.
Manny's not excited at all. He's actually shook. But this is gonna be the twist. So we're at the supermarket parking lot right now, and what we're gonna do is, so I'm gonna go in the supermarket and I'm gonna pick out baby foods that I want Manny to try. So like, he's not gonna try them, but he's not gonna know what he's eating. And then Manny's gonna go in and buy whatever baby food he wants me to try. So we're gonna be like blindfolded, or I don't know, we're gonna figure it out when we get home, but we're gonna be eating baby food, but we're not gonna know what it is. So I'm actually pretty scared because I feel like it's gonna make me throw up. Like, the thought of eating baby food is making me gag. But I always want to know what baby food tastes like. So I want to find out what it tastes like before I give it to my baby, if that makes sense. I don't know. So let's see. I just hope I don't throw up. Do you guys think I'm gonna throw up, or you guys think Manny's gonna throw up? I just hope he doesn't get me like some really nasty flavors. I feel like he is.
It's my job.
I'm a little scared. But yeah, guys, so I don't know, wish me luck. So I'm gonna go to the supermarket now. I'm gonna walk in and I'm gonna show you guys the flavors that I'm gonna get, and then I'm gonna come back into the car to stay with the baby, and then Manny's gonna go in and he's gonna pick out his. So I don't know, I think I'm gonna do a better job than him. Let's see. Whoever makes each other throw up wins something. What do you think, babe?
It's not fun.
Manny's actually really scared. I don't know why. I guess he doesn't want to try the baby food. Maybe he's scared he's gonna throw up. But this is gonna be so interesting. Like, I'm just wondering, what does the baby food taste like?
No holds bars. Like, it has to be anything. Like, from dinners to.
It could be anything. So it could be anything. I don't know. Just like, you're gonna walk in, you're gonna go to the baby aisle, and whatever baby food you want me to try, you're gonna get it. So I don't know.
Let's do this.
I'm scared. Are you gonna go first?
I don't know.
All right. Okay, I'm gonna go first then. I'll go first to the supermarket. All right, guys. See you in a bit. I'm so excited. This is gonna be so funny. Ooh. I'm gonna be right back. Okay. You're gonna be waiting for me, right? Don't leave. Don't leave. You better be right here when I come back. All right, guys, so I don't know, but I have the idea that I want to have Manny try a baby food that has meat. I don't know why. I think it would be so nasty. I'm trying to see which one. So I've seen some before that have like turkey and stuff, so I don't know, I don't see any here. What looks nasty? What is this? This looks gross. Alright, so I'm gonna get this one here. This is like vegetables. So I have vegetables. What else? Ew. This looks gross. This is pumpkin, chickpea, spinach, and broccoli. Yes, I'm definitely getting this one. So that's 2. Let me see what else. I'm trying to find one that has meat. I know I've seen some before that have like turkey. Okay, so boom. Oh, this looks disgusting. This is ham and gravy. Ew. And what's this one? Beef and gravy. Oh my god, these are gonna be so disgusting. So boom, I have ham and gravy, beef and gravy, and apple, kale, spinach. I don't know, I know I want these two for sure. Okay, guys, so I think I'm just gonna grab these, and then I'm gonna let you guys know if I get something else. Oh, this looks disgusting. Oh, this looks nasty too. This looks really nasty. Ew.
Okay guys, now it's my turn to pick out some beautiful desserts for my baby. So you could try it later. Alright, stay tuned. So, was over here getting some baby food. And I got laughed at. Why recording baby food? So that was, you know, laugh of the day. Sorry, that was laugh of the day. If it could focus, there you go. So I got just spinach, zucchini, peas. Right, this looks very delicious. Yummy, yummy, yum. I also got it is beef and beef broth. So delicious. Pear, purple, carrot, blueberry, or quinoa, or quinoa, however you want to call it. That looks so pleasing. And apple and spinaches. Well, apples and spinach. I promise you I ain't get you cat food, baby. Come on. I wouldn't do that to you.
Mama in there. Ew.
That's green apple zucchini.
Ew, that was fucking.
I mean, you want me to get you another tissue?
No, yeah,
Okay.
that was.
Thanks. I'm my baby. I even you want my baby. Yes, you want my baby. My baby.
Oh, honey, dinner's ready.
Can I get a tissue too? Okay, guys. Yummy, 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 yummy.
There's absolutely nothing yummy about what you're about to eat.
That's like the baby's doodle. Is it set up? Okay, so how are we gonna do this? How are we gonna do this? How are we gonna do this? Take me home. Okay. What should I do? Which one?
I think you should try this one.
Why that one?
I don't know.
I'm definitely not trying that one. Excuse me, my food.
Why are you smelling it if I couldn't smell it?
Well, you see my nose compared to your nose?
They're just as big.
You can smell what I ate from last week with them big nostrils.
Rocky, back up. Stop. Stop,
Rock,
Rock.
come on, rock.
Eat it.
I'm scared because you malicious.
No, I'm not. Eat it. Oh, never mind. You're right. Ew.
That should make me teal.
No,
This is not fun.
it's fun for me.
I should have went first.
That one wasn't that bad.
No, not like the. Oh.
Let me see. Okay, this one was a pumpkin one. That's why. I think pumpkin is finished. This one had like pumpkin, quinoa, squash, and like kale.
What the hell is this, bro? Like it just came out.
It looks steel, right? Like a big goop.
Came out like it came out like that. It came out the jar like that.
Like a big glob.
Rocky, you get your turn. I promise you'll get your turn, okay? You're rushing this. There's nothing to rush about this, okay? You'll get your turn. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh. Yo. It's
Wash it down.
it's like it just stuck there.
That was beef and gravy. That was things.
It's not funny.
I think Rocky likes that one.
What's that one?
Tito thinks there's something wrong with you.
There is Tito. Call 911. What is this? You don't even know.
There's ham and gravy.
Oh my goodness. That was by far the worst one.
That one smells disgusting.
What the hell?
What is Tito doing?
Get down, Tito. Get down.
Come on, baby. You only have one left.
That wasn't cool, bro. How you give me was it chicken gravy and
Beef and gravy.
Beef and gravy and
ham and gravy.
Ham and gravy? Oh, you're tearing. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is what our daughter's gonna eat?
No.
Oh my goodness.
My baby's not eating any of this. I swear to God, I'm not letting her. This is insane. This is disgusting.
I got through this one. What is this?
That was
I'm done. I'm tapped out. Call Gerber. Have all that shit recalled. I'm done. I'm about to force myself to throw up. Oh my God. You a cheater. You said all jar stuff. Why did you do this stuff?
The ones that tasted the nasty were in jars. Those are the ones that tasted the best. So the last one you had, that was summer vegetables.
What the hell is this, bro? Summer vegetables? This how bad it was?
Yeah.
They didn't tell you what's in it.
I know, that's why I knew it would be bad. The last one, guys, it didn't even say like what was inside. It just says summer vegetables. So I was like, if they're not saying what's inside, it has to be disgusting.
I don't understand what happened to some strawberry, banana. Why you didn't give me none of that?
So, how'd you like your dinner?
Horrible. Oh. This is by far the worst date we ever had. The worst.
You still love me?
Huh?
Do you think I won?
I almost threw up. I literally almost threw up on him. I believe you won. Cause I didn't see you throw up. No matter of fact, no. I ate more. Yeah, I won. I ate most of it. You only ate 2 of them. If not 1. I won.
Because you wanted to. Don't wait till you eat it. We said taste.
Doesn't matter. I won. I won. I'm just burping it up. This is so disgusting.
I hope you guys like this video.
Ugh.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Please.